Berks County, Pennsylvania, a beautiful, lush countryside. An area rich in natural resources and historical significance. Buried in these woods were the ingredients that helped forge our country's industrial revolution. Welcome to one of this nation's historical treasures. A place that began during George Washington's presidency and evolved and survived for more than 100 years. This is Joanna Furnace. To find out more, the history of Joanna Furnace is the complete story about this historical landmark.